My name is Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the Arctic Fox 22G. As you may know, Northwood products, Arctic Fox is at top of the line with insulation, and the quality of construction is stellar. I'm just going to start with a couple of the features that make it really easy to use and make sure that you can take this trailer where you want to go, when you want to go there. Your push button up, down, trailer hitch is super easy. Your big 7-gallon propane tanks with a converter in between to make sure that if you run out of propane in one tank in the middle of the night, you're running your heater, actually it'll switch over without you having to come and convert it in the middle of the night. With the 22G, you got a lot of things. So you have your, with Northwood products, you have a 2-inch thick walls and the best insulation in the industry. Your slam latches on your pass-through right here, it's a true pass-through. You have an aluminum superstructure on a certified welded chassis, and your kill switch is in there too for your battery. So if you're parking this to actually rest it for a little while, you don't have to actually go in and disconnect your battery. You can just flip that switch and you're set to go. And slam latches for your pass-through as well. You have your big awning here, plus your big grab handle and 3 steps that go pretty low to the ground, so you can make your way into this trailer and not have a lot of difficulty in and out. So I'm going to go inside and show you some of the interior features here. Right here we have our walk-around queen bed. And as you notice, the quality of the construction here, really nice real wood cabinets. You have your pocket screws in here. Well, where you can tell it's real wood, pocket screws would splinter any OSB or press board. And behind all of the cabinetry, they have aluminum stays that are machined out for that. So you're not actually putting these cabinets into just a substrate of the walls. You're actually drilling it into a brace that is actually baked into the walls themselves. A lot of storage up, below, and beside, and a lot of plugs, 110s, USBs, and plus the inverter plugs. Your big windows, really bright inside an Arctic Fox. You have your fantastic fan above the bed, and as we move into the main area of the cabin, you have your big countertop space, which is solid surfaces here. These solid surfaces, you can just flip those over, and you can use them as cutting boards. You can also set hot pans on them as well. Big double basin stainless steel sink, and still a lot of storage space. One of the nice things about Arctic Foxes, they also provide a skylight, plus a little shade in there as well. You have your 3-burner stove here, plus a little bit larger of a stove, an oven that you're going to find in most other units. You have your microwave right above it, and your really nicely appointed refrigerator as well. It's a 7 cubic foot refrigerator. Most are actually going to be 6, and most other trailers. Your dining space right here, this dinette, that could be converted into another sleeping area if you're having guests. And what you might notice over here is a little bit of a media center plus a solar station. Your television is in an articulating arm, comes out for you, and the rear bathroom is really nice. You have a lot of space for storage in here, a ton of space for storage, for hanging, folding, and just a lot of space there. You have your window in here. Again, it's one of those things where Arctic Fox makes sure that the light stays in and everything remains bright. Your solid shower booth, and your porcelain step flush toilet. If you have any more questions about the Arctic Fox 22G, stop by the lot in Junction City or drop me a line. My name is Jake, 773-655-7190. Thanks.